Today, we are gonna talk about augmented reality, or AR for short, and virtual reality, or VR for short. Also learn how AR is different than VR. Augmented reality or AR, is an enhanced version of the real, or in other words physical world. It is achieved through digital visual elements, sound or other sensory stimuli which is delivered through technology. It is a growing business among the mobile computing and mobile, tablet applications. One of the biggest example is the Apple company's latest mobile devices including iPhone and iPad, which have a special sensor called LiDAR. This sensor is used to enhance the AR capability of these devices. The earliest functional AR system that provided immersive mixed reality experience for users were developed at the U.S. Air Force's Armstrong Laboratory with the Virtual Fixtures system in 1992. First commercial AR experiences were introduced in the gaming and entertainment businesses. One of the most popular examples of AR-based game is Pokémon Go. This game was released in 2016 and there was feature within the game that let players see virtual Pokémon standing in front of them. Players can catch these Pokémon and play with them. Before we discuss further about AR, we need to know that VR, virtual reality, and AR are very different things. VR is completely virtual but AR uses real-world setting. While VR requires a headset device, AR can be accessed with a smartphone. VR is a totally immersive experience in a simulated world. VR is shown really well in the popular movie, Ready Player One. Nowadays AR as well VR, is used in many different fields. Medical, education, business establishments such as furniture and home accessories. First we will talk about AR and VR uses in medical. AR and VR is being used in various healthcare facilities across the world. In case of a dentist, AR software can be built into smart glasses relaying real-time data directly from a dental scanner enabling him or her to build precise crowns or caps. AR-enabled, tablet-based simulations of different patient scenarios allow nurses to train better. AR can be used to enhance visualization of CT or MRI data by superimposing stereoscopic projection during a surgery. This will enable precise navigation to a particular organ and preoperative planning. Educator can also use AR and VR to educate medical students on basic anatomy and concepts. Doctors can also learn about new therapies and drugs. AR and VR uses in education. AR and VR can make classroom education more interactive. Teacher can show virtual example of concepts to better explain certain topics to the students. AR and VR can also be used in professional training. Industries such as aerospace, aviation, hospitality, military and many other have to use a significant amount of money in training. With AR and VR, expenses can be reduced and make the training more interactive. For example, in aviation a new pilot can have his or her initial training in simulation while AR or VR providing real-life-like environment. Astronauts can get real-life training and do various tasks, like maintaining space station. Soldiers can learn how to use their equipment with AR and VR without putting themselves or anyone in danger. With the help of AR or VR, 3D objects can be put in students' devices which will allow the students to engage in their lessons even if the students are studying from home. AR and VR uses in different industries. In corporate training, AR or VR can be used to train employees on how to fix complicated equipment and safety procedures. For example, in manufacturing sector, learners can stand in front of a machine with their AR or VR-enabled device and watch the technical information about the machine in 3D. In aviation sector, AR or VR can be used to train the employees on how to fix or install electrical wiring on an aircraft. In heavy-duty industries, AR or VR can be used in safety training where skipping a step or using wrong procedures can lead to catastrophic accident. In retail and shopping, brands like IKEA is using its app called Place, which allows customers to place IKEA's furniture products virtually in their space and enabling them see how their product will look in their homes. Another example is Lenskart, they enable their customers to try on their glasses virtually on their smartphone. In recent years we have also seen Google updated their Street View app to let people see landmarks within their map on their phones to help users get their bearings. Apple has also launched a new feature in their Map application, to do the same thing. Although, these features are currently available in limited cities only. The market for AR and VR is expected to grow and reach $148.72 billion in 2023, despite a negative growth in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. In conclusion, we can say that AR and VR definitely have very promising future and its use will only increase. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please do consider to hit the like button, also share the video and do consider subscribing to the channel.